Face the music to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today is face the music. This is one of those idioms that has a little bit of a controversy over where it actually originated. Some people think it came from theater, where people who were in a performance literally had to face the music and overcome their stage fright. Other people believe that it came from the military when somebody was kicked out of the military or dishonorably discharged or something. They would literally drum them out and play music and drums as they exited the formation or the group or whatever. You know, maybe they were at a court martial or something. I don't know. Not a very military person, obviously. But in August of 1834, it actually appeared in an issue of the New Hampshire Statesman and State Journal, I think it was called. So not sure exactly where it originated or where it came from. It could have come from both and then merged together and became just a popular saying of, hey, when something happens, when you do something, you're going to end up having to deal with the consequences or deal with the results of that. Now, consequences, we usually think of when we hear face the music that it's something bad that happened or something negative, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. Maybe you have to face the music and face up to the fact that you did something awesome in your business and you're having all kinds of success, and you have to celebrate that, the results of that, and take credit for the results of the actions that you took in order to make that happen. So it doesn't have to be negative. We get to decide what everything means. When I hear face the music, though, or think face the music, I think of raising my kids, and hey, if they did something that they maybe shouldn't have, then there were consequences to that behavior. There are always consequences to our actions, right? Whether they're immediate or not remains to be seen most of the time. A lot of people do a lot of things that it doesn't seem like in our lifetime we see the repercussions of that, but there's always repercussions. You know, what we put out into the world is what we get back, and that's especially true with respect to our businesses and our lives. So I say, let's make the world a better place with our businesses and always put good into the world. Make sure we're truly helping and benefiting the people that we're here to serve. Otherwise, what's the point, right? It's easy to just get selfish sometimes and worry about what's in it for us, but we need to always remember what's in it for our customers, or why would they do business with us? They won't. They might once, but then they'll go find someone else that meets their needs, understands them, and cares about them more than we do. At least that's my opinion. Love to know your take on this particular idiom, face the music. Have you had to literally face the music? I'm not a performer, therefore stage fright really hasn't been a thing for me, and I don't feel like I've had to deal with the consequences of that. Like anybody else, though, public speaking and showing up, especially on live video, is a challenge, and it's like anything else. The more we do it, the less fearful we are of it, right? We stretch our comfort zones and we create what we want to see in the world. If you're going to lead an organization and supersize that organization, you're going to have to be able to communicate and talk to people, or have somebody that will communicate and talk on your behalf. That's a lot easier if you just do it yourself. All right, that's it. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? Have an awesome day.